if you're like me and can't be bothered to go to ChatGPT or Gemini every time you want to do something with AI, watch this video. This is going to make your life quick and streamlined. You take the text you want, click on this new Chrome extension called Custom GPT. Then you click on whatever GPT you want, YouTube description maker, for example, and click process text. In seconds, this will create for you the description for this specific video, which actually I'm about to post. It's actually this video right now. I paste it like that. Then I highlight the title again and click on YouTube tag maker, and just like that, I'm going to be getting a list of tags to add to this video. Now, the reason why this is so perfect is because it saves me time going and chatting away to ChatGPT. So now I can add all of these tags down here just like that. Now, if you think this is amazing, have a look at this. If I go to Google and click on the same extension, you will see all of my extensions, not only those two, the two YouTube description and tag maker. You can see many more. The way I did this was by creating a rule. The way to create a rule is you click on this button here, and you can say that every time you're on a specific URL to show specific GPTs. Like, let's say, for example, every time I'm in google.com, I want to translate something to Chinese and click save. What's going to happen now is whenever I click this, I'm only going to see the translate to Chinese. Now, the reason why this is so perfect is because you can customize your GPTs depending what website you're on, which is fantastic for anyone on the run using AI all the time. The way to create a custom GPT is so easy. You just click this button here, just give it a name. That's all you need to do. Summarize in 10 words the text given. That's going to be the long name. The AI will automatically give a short name and a prompt automatically, so you don't have to do all of that. As you can see, this is the brief summary. It's been changed. The name's been changed to make it shorter. Now we can either put it in a category for organization later, or we can just simply create it, save the GPT. Now, as you can see, we have this GPT ready to use. Now, whenever you want to use it, you just click the extension. But hey, it's not showing up. The reason why it's not showing up is because we haven't added it to this rule. So let's now add it to this page. Let's remove that rule and add the summarize to 10 words for this page, which is Google. So as you can see, it's right here. Now let's type some words. And then test it. Let's see if it summarizes in. Fantastic. See how quick that was? Copy to clipboard and you're done. Fantastic. Make sure you get this extension. It's free for an entire month. No credit card details needed. Well worth it.